I really do appreciate it. Now, I don't know if you're aware of this, but in the last couple of weeks, Transport for London, in conjunction with the Mayor of London, has launched a street safe campaign to get more people out of their cars and onto bikes and walking, which is very, very commendable. Clearly, they're trying to do something about traffic congestion and air pollution in London, which is somewhat horrific, even at the best of times. Now, I actually went on the Sustrans for Capital's bike ride, so I'm very, very familiar with the issue of safe cycling. I know what it's like to be at a disadvantage if you're on a bike. Now, let me tell you some ways that you can actually cycle safely, instantly, with very, very little cost. First things first, if there is a cycle lane in the edge of the road, so actually cycling on it can be quite dangerous, believe it or not, unless there is a physical partition between the carriageway where the cars are going and the cycle lane. Cycling on the edge can be very, very dangerous. If there's a physical partition like there are in Holland, yes, great, don't have a problem with that. But if it's just a painted strip on the side of a road, no, don't use them. This is what I recommend. If you want to cycle safely, first things what you need to do. Firstly, you must be as visible as possible. So you must wear a cycle helmet. Okay, you must have lights at the front and the back of your bike, and you must have them on at night. Flashing lights even better. You must have reflective gear on so people can see you. Okay, that's very important. I used to wear the old Castelli top and the Tracky Reflect trousers, and trust me, they used to light you up like crazy. Now, here's the thing: no matter what time of day you cycle, irrespective of where you are, you must always cycle no less than 1 meter from the curb, preferably halfway between the pavement and the central dividing line. And there are 4 reasons for this. Number 1, if you're at the very edge and a car goes past you, the wind effect can knock you over very, very easily. Number 2, there tend to be glass and potholes at the side of a road. If you've ever been on Sheffield roads, you know exactly what I mean. Number 3, because they're really bad roads. Thirdly, if you go past a T-junction and the car pulls out, you've had it, especially if you're on the edge. And lastly, if you go past some cars and someone opens a door, you've had it. Literally, you'll only make that mistake once. So the safest thing to do is always cycle no less than 1 meter from the curb. Just try it. Yes, you will annoy a lot of car drivers, I promise you that. But they'll slow down and make a real effort to avoid you, and it is much, much safer. If I was the Mayor of London, what I would be doing is I'll be painting a green line about 20 centimetres wide, about 1 metre to 1.5 metres from the curb, and tell people to cycle slightly to the right of that. That's a lot more cost effective and more speedily implemented than putting in cycle lanes. Cycling lanes are a great thing if there is a physical partition, like a bit of pavement, between the cycle lane and the road. Great. But if not, if it's just a painted strip on the side of the road, it's a waste of time. Thank you very much for your time. I'll speak to you soon, and look out for our daily health hints today. Bye-bye.